Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night everyone. In this video I will repairing a laptop motherboard, Sony laptop with model like this MBX272. The problem of this motherboard is matot total dead. Okay, let's try to connect this motherboard to the power supply to know its condition. Okay, we need the Sony connector. Power. Power supply have plug. This is the power button, I think. Try to turn on. Cannot turn it on. Okay, remove the CMOS battery. Try again. Still cannot turn on. Okay, let's check the condition of every voltage level. The main current sensor, the main resistor. Okay, I think this is okay, let's check the voltage in line at the in line. Okay, this is from the DC jack, 19 volt. No voltage at this resistor. Okay, we will focus at this block, the separator block. Okay, so this is the DC jack. Okay. This pin is connected directly to the DC jack. Of course, after the fuse and the PL1 the inductor. This is from the DC jack, and we have 19 volt from the DC jack. And output of this main MOSFET, it's 10.6. Okay, second MOSFET we have 18.6 volt. And this is the VN line, and we have no voltage. This is the main current sensor, the main resistor, and we have no voltage here. So because the VN line is no voltage, so we cannot we cannot turning on this laptop. Checking the resistance of the V-in line. We have about 25 ohm. The MOSFET in the normal condition, I think no short circuit. What is the problem? Source. This is the battery MOSFET. Sorted. Here is, you can see the resistance at this point. The V-in line is about 25 ohm. I think this is not good. How to find the broken component of this laptop? I'm sorry, because we have not the schematic of this motherboard. Okay, let's try to fix this without the schematic. Okay, we have the dataset of the charger IC. Let's find the typical system schematic. Okay. Okay, here. Okay, based of this dataset, the gate of this MOSFET, this board MOSFET, the gate of this board MOSFET, main MOSFET and the second MOSFET is connected directly, and then connected to the pin A, C, D or V. Okay, we must check the voltage at the several pin of this charger IC. The we must check the voltage ACD and then PVCC and then ACD or V. Okay, the pin number. Okay, ACD pin number 5, PVCC. Okay, pin number 28. Okay, pin number 28. Checking the voltage at the pin number 28 of the charger IC. Okay, here is 28 PVCC. We have 19 volt, but the pin number 24 track N is no voltage. Pin number 28 PVCC, this is the the main power pin of this charger IC, and then pin number 24 is rack N. This is the LDO pin. In the normal condition, this pin, the voltage at this pin is must about 6 volt. Rack N. Rack N. Okay, this is pin number 24. PWM low side driver positive 6 volt support supply output. Rack N is disabled when its gain is high. Okay, let's check this pin. Just enable is high. Rack N is disabled. CHGN just enable. Active low logic input LO enable just. High disable just. Okay, let's check the pin number 1. Pin number 1. 3.3 volt. 3.3 volt. So because the pin number 1 is high, the pin number 24 is disabled. Okay. Why did just enable pin high and then the rack and pin no voltage? Maybe caused by the condition of the inline that detected no normal condition, in abnormal condition. Okay, we must check the inline condition. Okay, remove the main resistor. I will giving low voltage at the inline 5 volt 5.6. The current is 0.39. Volt. Oh, this is 2 ampere. What is this sorted component? Oh, this is processor, I think. Oh, not good. You must remove the coil of the VCC core to keep this chipset safe. Okay, now we have replaced this this MOSFET, resolder this coil and this coil, and resolder this main resistor and the battery MOSFET. Okay, let's try again. Connecting the power supply. This is from the DC jack. We have 19 volt, 18.6. This is the fan line. Okay, now we have 18.6 volt. This is working now. Okay, let's try to turn on this motherboard. The connector is not good. Alright, you can see here we have 0.86 ampere. Okay, let's install the heatsink. Okay, try again. Bismillah. Okay, this is working well with ampere 0.75 ampere. I think this is working. Alhamdulillah. Okay, you can see here, this is non-block. Oh, I'm sorry. The connector. I'll show you. This is the non-block. Okay. Alright. This is working well now. Okay, brother, I think this is working well now. All done. Alhamdulillah. The current now is 0.88. Okay, I hope this is useful. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.